Good afternoon, this is John Farhat with Loquantur. I'd like to tell you today about a client who wanted to implement a modern IP-based telephone system. The problem is they needed to use it on the factory floor where things were very noisy and it was not always obvious how to get calls to the shop floor. They approached Loquantur and we worked together to implement a system where incoming calls would actually ring into a strobe light. And what that strobe light did is indicate that the phone was ringing. And so even though there was a noisy shop floor and they could have lost a lot of the calls that were going there, especially employee calls, now they had a way to identify that that phone was ringing regardless of the noise level on the factory floor. This is probably not the only situation where it's noisy and the client needs solutions like that. If you have any stories, I would love to hear about them. Add them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.